Hey guys, so y'all want to know something about these old models? Let me show you. If it wasn't so, June wasn't so hot, I could show you guys. So, that little button right there is your push start. On the Chevrolets, you had them on the floor, and the Fords, you had them up here. Key would be right down there, right there. That right there, that's hot, and your little push button would be right here. This one, that's for you on this model, on this 54 3100. That's for your lights right there. Everybody keeps wanting to pile stuff in there. Well, they don't think it'll run anymore. Well, that's too bad because Papa's going to get it running. Now, as we go down here to this one, 1954 F1, well, same thing. It's the exact same thing, but it's set up a little different. And tomorrow, well, no, today. Today's the last day for truck week. So, anyway, y'all saw that surprise I did up at Camp Old Indian. That's what I do all the time. I went up there from 2018 to 2023. That's when I went. I miss it. Okay, so this model, you watch for king snakes. Looking. Everybody says this one won't ever run again. Alright, well, what's left of it? Your ignition will be right there. And that little button is your push start. So, I'm going to get out of this little spot. So with the Chevrolets, the key was in the dash, and your push button was on the floor. And that model, this model here, it was push button, key on this side. No, wait a minute. You can get back over here to it. Key on the, zoom in. Key on that side. Push button on right over there. Which would be that little button. There we go. Now it's better. That little button right there. Then you had your lights and your 1, 2 choking the light. 3 on the floor. We're gonna put a new stereo in that thing. That's about all the custom work we're gonna do to that. I know. I'm not gonna do no 3 carburetors on that. It's going to stay the same. One carburetor, flathead V8. It's gonna have it's gonna have a little bit of get up and go. But anyway, well, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And well, not done yet. Gonna show you guys something. On these new cars today, we are now going. They went from the push button with a key to the key, and then back to the push button with the key. But come to here, come in, all you have there is this. There's no key, no nothing to stick this in. You just put that down and just hold the brake and push the button. Not the same. You gotta push the clutch in, hold the brake, turn the key, and then crank it. But yeah, I'll do it for this video. And guys, see y'all for tomorrow's grand finale. So anyway, see y'all tomorrow.